Music's off. There's the sign. I think we're almost ready to go. There's the sign for 1 to go. Who's ready for total darkness? Rockford Speedway, turn your lights on. Turn your phones on. Wave them in the air. Show everybody your lights. Turn those lights. There you go. Swing them in the air. Swing them in the air. Woo! Look at the lights. Make some noise, Rockford Speedway. All right, the pace truck's speeding on up. We're going 20 laps. In total darkness. Here they come. Great flag, and we're racing. And it looks like it's Austin Fowler in an early lead, I think. It's three-way first coming out of 2 between Phil Special, and I don't know who's next to him. Well, that's the 32 of Jeff Allendorf. So it's Fowler, Allendorf, Special, and I can't tell who's after that. 73 of Justin Wagner. There we go. They put the screen up for me. Now I can see. Going around, it's Austin Fowler. There we go. So it's Fowler, Allendorf, Special, and Justin Wagner. That's your top 4. Hold those lights in the air. Let those drivers know that you're out here watching them. All right. Hey, there goes Abe Lincoln. He's got to catch up with the rest of them. As they're coming around, it's Austin Fowler, your leader still. Somebody just went in the middle. That looks like Abraham Lincoln went in the middle. Doggone it. That's our midnight ride of Paul Revere. 5 laps in, 15 to go. Austin Fowler out in the early lead. But it looks like Jeff Allendorf is closing in. Can you imagine driving with just that flashlight on top of your car? Can you imagine? This takes some skill to do this, Rockford Speedway. Yeah, I think the 3 of Kevin Memley has no. That's 18 of Robbie Robinson's light is off. He has no light on that 18 car, and he's right behind Phil Special, running in 4th right now. As they are going around, getting near halfway into this midnight ride of Paul Revere for 2020. Your leader is Austin Fowler. He definitely got the car figured out after having trouble during the flagpole race, as Jeff Allendorf snuck to the inside on the early going of that race and took the lead away from him. And whoa, Robbie Robinson right into the back of Phil Special, at least it looked like. It's hard to see what's going on. All right, now we're just past the halfway mark as Austin Fowler's bringing it around. Jeff Allendorf trying to catch him. He's looking for the light. Follow the light. Everybody's kind of like, follow the light. We got 12 in, 8 to go, Rockford Speedway. It's the midnight ride of Paul Revere. A one-of-a-kind race celebrating the 4th of July here at the Rockford Speedway. As we're getting close, will Austin Fowler be able to hold it off and get the win? Hard to say. And you got a battle for third. It's Justin Wagner, Robbie Robinson, Art Special. Hey, there's Josh Cavan. Didn't even see him on the track earlier. "17 in, 3 to go for Austin Fowler." How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good.
I feel a lot better.
White flag for Austin Fowler. We got a battle for third. I take it back for fourth. But Robbie Robinson is looking to challenge Jeff Allendorf. Here comes your winner. Austin Fowler's coming by right now. Who's going to get second? Jeff Allendorf second, Robbie Robinson third, Phil Special fourth, Justin Wagner fifth. Rockford Speedway, how about that race? The midnight ride of Paul Revere. Yep. Wow. I can't even find him on the track. just see lights. Right now at this time, if you're bleachers, please go ahead and move to sections AA, BB, the taller section in the bleacher. In the short, if you're in EE, DD, CC, or BB, move to the higher side of BB or AA. That's you guys in the bleachers. Yep, all you guys. Yep, I'm pointing to all you guys. That's you guys. Yep. Is winner of the 2020 ride of Paul Revere, Austin Fowler. Yep, and my mic cut out, so we both had bad luck, didn't we now? Okay, I have never done anything like this before, and I gotta ask, and the fans gotta wonder, I mean, like, here, come on over here, I'm trying to find a good spot. Okay, there we go. What is it like racing with no lights on here, anywhere to see anywhere but lights? I mean, what is that like? Is it freaky?
It's a little dark out there, but I mean, I guess I got enough laps to know where to go, but it's pitch black out there. My light was facing somewhere else, not where I need it to be, but I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. Front row start, you know, that's an easy, but I'm glad I could finally get it done. I mean, one of the best guys in the business, Bobby Frisch, has got about 5 of these. I've been trying for about 5 years now, and this is my first one. A lot of 3 seconds, and I'm just glad I could finally get it done.
Just amazing watching you out there wheeling it. Like, I suppose you got to worry about the turns more than anything. I mean, you had a battle, you know, behind you. You were far enough ahead, but like between Robbie Robinson, Phil Special, Jeff Allendorf, them guys back there, it was really close. You probably had no idea what was going on behind you.
I actually turned my mirror down because the lights behind me were blinding me, so I couldn't see. I didn't even know where they were. So that's all I could do is turn it down and just keep marching forward.
Sweet. Austin, there we go. Who would you like to thank here tonight here at the Rockford Speedway? I know you got sponsors or crew you want to thank.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, in the after the heat race, Bobby came down and said, "You have one of the worst cars here." I said, "All right, well, let's change some springs and stuff." And he got it done, and that thing handled like a dream. Also, I want to thank Aeromotive Research, Windsor Pizza Parlor. They sponsor the Rockford. Justin Wagner, Sean Warman, everybody that helps out. I'm glad I can get this done on my checklist.
They're doing stuff on the infield too?
Hang on, there we go. Okay. Once again, congratulations, Austin Fowler. Fans, let's make some noise. It's Austin Fowler.